Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to delete Google account. So for any reason you have made your mind that you want to delete your Google account, so I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to your Gmail, and once you open it up then you have to click onto your profile icon from the top corner and then click on manage your Google account. After that the settings will open of the Google account. Once it gets open, on the top right corner you can see the option for the search. You have to click onto it and search for delete account, or just you can search for delete. Then you will see this option for delete Google account. Click onto it, then it will just take a while in the loading. Once the loading is done, it will ask you for your password or fingerprint. Just simply give it that, and then it will take you to this page. Now here you have to be very careful and read all the terms and condition. And if you want to download your mobile phone data, you can click onto it, then you will be able to download it. Once you are agreed that everything will be on to you, like if you delete your account, the data from your account and anything related to it will get deleted. If you're okay with that, then simply select the checkboxes and click on delete account, and after that your account will get deleted. So that's it. This is how you can delete your Google account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.